Hello, my name is Raul Duran. I'm a support engineer for Somix Technologies, and I'm going to give a quick demonstration on what Denika is and some of the things that it can do for your network. Denika is an easy-to-use Windows application for monitoring and trending the performance of your network devices. It provides current and historical trends with real-time information on the status of network devices. It can be used to trend things like bandwidth, IP/SLA, N-bar, CPU utilization, memory utilization, hard drive space, system uptime, or any other SNMP information that your devices can provide. Denika can also be configured to trend non-SNMP variables by using scripts to monitor for things like database activity as well. Denika communicates with all of your network devices 24 hours a day and is web-based so that you can log in from anywhere on the globe and know exactly what's happening on your network. Let's take a look at the interface. Here's an example of an active network that we are currently monitoring. On the left is a list of all my devices in my network. The filter makes it very simple to quickly sort through any number of devices to get what I want. I filtered on my server called Handy. I can see all of the reports that I've created for that device displaying in a 24-hour trend. I can drill down to see a more detailed graph within a short time frame, or I can use the date range to show me trends over time. I can email these reports on demand so that I can immediately notify someone or a group of people of any critical situations. I can also choose to see all my trends in one graph so that I can make an easy comparison. I also have the option to view my trends in a table by clicking on the Stat Center icon. From this view, I can see not only trends, but I also see which of these reports have violated thresholds that I've also configured to notify me by sending me an email. I can hover over a threshold section to see the threshold violation details. I also have the capacity to export this data to an Excel spreadsheet if I choose to. Now I'm going to click on the Reports tab to return to my default view. In the middle of my screen, I can instantly see if any of my thresholds have violated by the pulsating yellow bar. I'm looking at the current violation screen that quickly gives me information on the status of the violations and the ability to drill down on some of these graphs. When I click on the report name, it gives me a daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly trend for that device. I can even drag and drill to set the time frame to my specifications. In this example, I can choose to see how much data went through this interface, and I can see how much of my bandwidth was used at that particular time. I'm going to back up a few steps to the violation screen. You may have also noticed these icons here. Denika integrates with many of the top network management tools, like What's Up Gold or Scrutinizer NetFlow Analyzer, so you can use it with the applications that you already have. Now we're back at the main reports page. The filtering in Denika is the secret to quickly getting what you want from it. I can do this by simply clicking on the sort button. I can list only the groups that contain a certain type of device, like your routers or firewalls. Or I can list groups that only contain a certain type of report, like port utilization or my IP/SLA reports. Once I'm done looking at my reports, I can click on the Rotate Manager, where I can configure it to cycle through Denika reports or even through the web interfaces of my other network management tools. If you have any questions or would like help setting up Denika on your network, feel free to call us at 207-324-8805. That's it for today, and thanks for your time.